Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in TikTok. But before I will start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. TikTok. Content creators can earn money through brand partnerships, sponsored posts, and by growing a loyal audience. Brand partnerships. TikTok creators can partner with brands to create and promote content that features the brand's products or services. These collaborations can take the form of challenges, dances, tutorials, or testimonials that align with the creator's style and audience. Brands pay creators for their creative input and the exposure they provide to their engaged followers. Brand partnerships allow creators to monetize their popularity and leverage their influence to showcase products to a wider audience. Live gifts and tips. During live streams on TikTok, viewers have the option to send virtual gifts to creators as a way of showing appreciation or support. These gifts can be purchased with an app currency, and creators earn a portion of the monetary value of these gifts. Live gifts and tips can provide an immediate and interactive way for creators to earn money while engaging with their audience in real time. Creator Fund. TikTok's Creator Fund is a program that allows eligible creators to earn money based on their content's performance. Creators can apply to join the fund, and if accepted, they receive payments based on a combination of factors, including video views, engagement, and overall content quality. The Creator Fund provides a more consistent source of income for creators, especially those who consistently produce engaging and popular content. Engaging and authentic content. To attract brand partnerships, live gifts, and participation in the Creator Fund, creators should focus on producing engaging, high-quality, and authentic content. Unique and creative videos that resonate with the TikTok community can lead to higher engagement rates, more views, and increased opportunities for monetization. Growing your audience. Building a loyal and engaged follower base is essential for maximizing your earnings on TikTok. Consistently posting content, interacting with viewers through comments and live streams, and leveraging trending challenges can help you attract more followers and increase your overall reach. Strategic collaboration. Collaborating with other TikTok creators on videos or challenges can help you tap into new audiences and gain exposure. Strategic collaborations can enhance your visibility and potentially attract more brand partnership opportunities. Monitoring performance. Regularly analyzing TikTok's analytics and insights can help you understand which types of content perform best and resonate with your audience. This data-driven approach enables you to refine your content strategy and optimize your earnings over time. Building relationships with brands. To attract brand partnerships, creators should establish genuine relationships with brands that align with their content and values. Fostering these connections can lead to long-term collaborations and mutually beneficial partnerships. Effective content integration. When working on brand partnerships, it's important to seamlessly integrate the brand's offerings into your content. The promotion should feel natural and authentic, ensuring that it resonates with your audience while meeting the brand's goals. Engagement during live streams. During live streams, actively engage with your viewers through responding to comments, answering questions, and acknowledging gifts. Interactivity enhances the viewer experience and can encourage more support through live gifts and tips. Monetizing your live streams. In addition to gifts and tips, creators can use the Go Live feature to offer virtual gifts for purchase within their live streams. These virtual gifts can include various emojis and symbols that viewers can send to support you financially while enjoying your content. Maximizing Creator Fund earnings. To optimize earnings from the Creator Fund, focus on consistently producing high-quality content that attracts views, comments, and shares. Engagement metrics play a crucial role in determining the fund's payout, so creating content that resonates with your audience is key. Exploring multiple monetization channels. Creators can combine different monetization strategies to diversify their income. For example, combining brand partnerships, creator fund earnings, and live gifts can provide a stable and varied revenue stream. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new about how to earn money in TikTok. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for the latest upload.